Good morning! Welcome again to another house tour dito sa ating Bella Vista dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. And this is Bettina house model. And let's go. And this is your pedestrian gate and your carport gate, car garage. And this is your carport and medyo mahaba-haba yan. So you can do extension for another room or lanay. And let's go inside. There's a side pocket garden here, and here's your living area. And we are 63.20 square meter floor area, 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. That's your living room. And pag ano nyo is dining area na, open layout lang siya. And yung tiles natin dito sa house model medyo maliit pa, pero ang ating gagamitin here na ay ang bagong 60 by 60 na tiles. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng pagkakadesign. Minimalist lang, but you can have 6 seaters pa rin dyan. So, ayan. And usually, 80 square meter ang ating minimum lot area. And sa outside ng inyong service area, which is maganda dahil may sink and meron pang saksakan para sa inyong laundry area. And here, sa kitchen, you have your sink and included na yung base cabinet. Ayan. And let's look at the CR here. And usual naman, but yung sa shower area, I'm 5'3". Medyo abot ko na yung ibabaw. Pero yung second CR naman ay medyo mas mataas talaga. Ayan. So sa guest, ano naman natin yan. So let's go upstairs and here's located yung 3 bedrooms natin. Ito yung una. And that's it for single. Pero ang ganda niyan is mataas ang ating ceiling height. Ayan, and may naka-ready na for aircon. Ayan, saksakan, outlet. So that's it. And for our second bedroom here, pang single din na nilagay. Pero yun nga, mataas siya. So pwedeng double deck kung medyo kailangan mag-share ng room ang ating anak. And here is the second toilet and bath here sa second floor. And yan, mas mataas at pantay yung ceiling natin. We also have a mini balcony or lagyan nyo ng plant. Ayan, parang pagpahangin kayo sa labas. And here's our last bedroom, our master's bedroom, and ample space kasi meron pa tayong cabinet sa gilid. And if you like this, please inquire us and message us. Thank you and God bless. And let's continue our house tour. And here's the Beatrice model. Mas malaki siya, 68.52 square meter ang kanyang floor area. And yun yung difference niya. Same na same sila ni Bettina, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. And talagang pinalaki lang siya. And may balcony rin to. Ayan, may carport din. And ganun din yung haba nung carport. Ayan, so parang dalawang maliit na sasakyan or kung mahaba yung sasakyan. Tapos mga motor, ayan, kasya dyan sa ating carport. And still, meron pa rin kay ample mini garden pocket dito sa harapan. And let's go. Ito yung difference. Yung kanyang storage area ay nasa labas. Ayan. So, may makalat, pang linis, pang garden tools. Ayan, di ba? Papasok pa ako. And, okay. And still, door. And pati yung ating mga front door din, still yan. Ayan. And here's your living area. Makikita nyo yung difference ng laki niya. And as usual, ito uli yung 60 by 60 na tiles ang gagamitin dito sa ating unit. Luma lang tong sa house model. And dito, 6-seater, pero you can go on 8-seater. And same sink. May base cabinet din. Ayan. So, doon yung ref, yun yung lutuan nyo. Ayan. And you have your service area pa rin sa likod na meron din na lababo. And ayan nga, may saksakan doon. So, di ba, nandyan na yung washer dryer kasi maluwag-luwag din. Ngayon, ayan pa, may mga space pa. talaga, pagsasampay. Ayan. So, let's go back inside. Your CR. Dito naman ay pantay na yung CR, ceiling height, so mataas. And you have your water closet and lavatory, and you have your windows sa CR, so hindi nyo na kailangan ng exhaust fan. Ayan, so let's go upstairs and steel yung ating railings. Ayan. And vinyl tiles naman dito sa ating second floor. And here's your first bedroom. So, ayan, maluwag and double or master queen size yung ano natin. So, you have your window and saksakan tayo ng aircon. Ayan, aircon check. Ayan, so meron pang cabinet. So, may space. Makikita nyo talaga yung difference dito kasi ito, ayun nga, double size bed. Meron tayong double size bed and same. So, ito yung mas malaki kasi compared dun sa Betina, dalawang single bed yung lang. Ito naman ang ating CR, common toilet bath. So, halos same lang nasa baba. Ayan, so shower. Ayan, so sobrang taas talaga. Kung makikita nyo, hindi lang kita dito sa video na to, hindi lang namin na pakita masyado. Ayan, ang ating single. Pero, alam nyo, maluwag pa rin, no, sa single. And if you like this, you have your mini balcony. Pahangin kayo. Ayan. And if you like this, please do inquire sa amin at mag-message. Thank you so much and God bless. Thank you.